First time kong bumili ng Alaskan king crab legs. Palagi ko kasi itong napapanood sa mga videos and natatakam talaga ako. And in fairness, it's worth the hype. Kada isa ng crab legs is very meaty and it's super sweet. So I decided to make some crab rolls para may merienda tayo. Sobrang dilim at maulan kasi sa labas so hindi tayo makaalis. Pero okay lang kasi kung ganito naman kasarap yung merienda mo sa bahay, bakit ka pa lalabas? Una, steam lang muna natin yung crab legs and then we'll try to extract as much meat as we can. Then slice natin into bite-sized pieces, tapos isusutay natin yan sa butter, garlic, chives, and parsley. After nyan, add tayo ng konting mayo, chopped celery, and lemon juice. Tapos, imimix lang natin ng mabuti and that's that. Sobrang pigil na pigil kaming papakinto kasi baka maubos namin bago pa maipalaman. Yung iba pag gumagawa nito, ang gamit nila ay lobster meat or shrimp. Pwede rin naman ng imitation crab. Ilagay natin sa toasted bread rolls and be as generous as you want to be. Drizzle some extra lemon butter on top and chili oil. These came out so good. In fairness, kahit nang hula lang tayo ng ingredients at medyo minadali lang yung pagkakagawa natin, tuwang-tuwa pa rin kami sa outcome.